Innovative solutions for commercial kitchens. Our innovative award-winning, globally certified products deliver cost-effective solutions for commercial kitchens. We offer grease management, food waste management, odor management, and plumbing solutions. Our mission is simple: to save customers costs while safeguarding the environment with our innovative range of products. Grease Shield, the grease management solution, the world's best and only eco-certified grease recovery unit. Grease Shield removes food waste and FOG in real time, preventing blockages and eliminating the need for pumping or chemicals. Filter Shield food and solid waste removal, low-cost solution for separation of food waste, coffee grinds and starch. Filter Shield separates and captures solid food waste, coffee grinds, starch and other debris using a controlled pressure drop, allowing water to drain freely, all without power, chemicals or replaceable membrane filters. Sanic Shield, sanitizing products. Sanic Shield provides powerful odor control and disinfection for commercial and household use, with dissolvable tablets that deliver a safer, more effective alternative to bleach for multi-purpose cleaning. FlexiPlumb flexible plumbing, fittings. FlexiPlumb is a range of innovative and versatile rubber plumbing connections designed to fit around misaligned piping and mismatched pipe sizes. Our products meet all recognized North American, European and Japanese grease trap and interceptor standards. EPAS maintains 4 internationally recognized ISO certifications, demonstrating our commitment to quality, environmental responsibility, information security, and workplace safety. Across the globe, our solutions are recognized with 26 international and national awards, highlighting our leadership in environmental innovation. EPAS is certified carbon neutral under the PAS 2060 standard, reinforcing our commitment to credible, measurable sustainability. From carbon neutrality to verified environmental reporting, sustainability guides every part of our business. We now publish independently verified environmental product declarations for our leading technologies. EPAS is expanding into North America. We've acquired an 18,500 square foot site on 2.5 acres in Houston, Texas, soon to become our North American manufacturing base. From 2026, customers across the US and Canada will benefit from local support, lower product and shipping costs, faster delivery, and reduced transport-related carbon emissions. EPAS is committed to continuous improvement, delivering solutions that protect both customers and the planet. Environmental Products and Services Limited award-winning technology.